Hello. Using QuickRows, we can consolidate worksheets with different column structures. Observe these listings. Each one has some columns with the same names, but altered positions. The process will identify and align the columns with the same header name. You just have to select the folder containing the files with the tables to be consolidated, and then click the desired tables, taking note of the total rows or lines to be imported. A new sheet is created in seconds, including a summary of consolidated tables. 2 columns are added to trace back the source of each line. Each table's rows were added after the previous ones, with the common columns properly aligned. Non-matching columns are added to the right, so all your data is guaranteed to be incorporated without messing columns during the consolidation process. As you can see, QuickRows is a powerful tool to improve your productivity in Excel. See you in next video.